What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. Thanks for coming out. Today we're smoking up some liver and onions. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is a special occasion because today I'm smoking up, dare I say it, my favorite meal of all time. Number one, liver and onions. So a couple things before we get started. Number one, no, smoked liver is not gonna be like pan-fried liver. It's a different method of cooking. It's not gonna be the same. So Mike, why bother smoking it? Why don't you just pan-fry it? Because people live a little. You know, it's still gonna be really, really good. You still get a good texture from the liver, some good flavor. Why not? Why not? My next big thing, I repeat, I do not soak my liver in milk. People soak their liver in milk to get that metallic, livery taste out of the liver. And I eat the liver because I like the taste of the liver. So why would I put the liver in milk to eat liver and get the taste of liver out of the liver? I don't know. It's just, look, if you have your heart set on putting your liver in milk, put it in milk overnight. I don't know how long, I've never done it. You know, I don't judge. I kind of do, actually. I think you're weak. I think your bloodline is weak. If there is an apocalypse and it's every person for themselves, I believe the people that soak their liver in milk will die first. So, end rant. So to start, let's get our onions chopped down here. Now I'm using 2 whole onions, of course, as you can see. Use whatever kind of onions you like, sweet, white, whatever floats your boat. Get yourself a pair of gloves, and then I got a nice beefy liver. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm just gonna cut it into smaller pieces. Something like that is perfect. Be careful, liver is very delicate. It will literally fall apart in your hands. And do that for all 3 pieces of your liver. All right, now you got a pile of sexy, bloody beef liver. Get yourself, probably should have did this before, 1 stick of salted butter. Slice her up. Look at that, nice butter knife. Now get yourself another foil pan. Get your butter in the bottom of the pan. Get your liver. Lay your slices right over the butter. Doesn't gotta be perfect, don't matter if they overlap a little bit. Stir them up while they smoke. Yeah, daddy lackey. So now to taste, just get a little salt and pepper on your liver, however much you want. You don't need to measure salt and pepper for liver and onions. Just get a good coat on the top here. A little more salt. And then I have 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I'm not using all of it, I'm just kind of sprinkling it again right on top of the liver. Get a nice coat. And that looks good to me. All right, we're almost done. Your liver is pretty much ready to go on the smoker, but now got some bacon, a whole package. And I'm using my Masterbuilt smoker today, so I have one of the racks. And I'm gonna put the bacon, damn it, put the bacon on the racks like so, because we're gonna put this rack above the pan of liver, and that bacon grease, she's just gonna drip all over them liver and onions. And just do that for all of your slices of bacon. And after just a couple minutes, you'll have your bacon hanging from the rack. Funny, I used the gloves for the liver and not the bacon. Follow me for more tips and tricks, guys. All right, so we can lay this down and get ready to pop these right in the smoker. Using the Masterbuilt, we're gonna set this 250 degrees. Going with some post oak wood chips. You can use lighter wood, cherry, pecan, hickory, whatever you want to do. But post oak's going to be a good wood and really complement the strong flavor of that liver. Once we reach our temp at 250, woo, pop that liver tray right in the bottom. Get your rack of bacon. Put it right on top. Just like that. Close it up. So we're gonna wanna let this roll for about 30 to 40 minutes. You're gonna wanna come out about halfway through, 20 minutes in, stir up all that good liver, the pepper, salt, garlic, and butter all together. And in the meantime, we're gonna get them onions that we chopped up and saute our onions. You can do it on a griddle. If you got a flat top, do it up. I'm gonna do it right in the kitchen on a skillet, and we're gonna cook them just until they get a good caramelization on them, because then we're gonna take them out and mix them up with our liver after we hit that 30 or 40 minute mark. So stick around. All right, so we have reached our 40-minute mark on our liver. Some nice color on our liver. It's good and firm. Side note, you do not need a whole stick of butter. Maybe like a third of a stick. Don't judge me. Moving on. Get our onions. Caramelize. Put them in your pan. Then we get our nice crispy bacon. Break it up. Put it in the pan with your liver. It smells good. I want to eat it right now. Break up all that bacon. Seats taken. Nice, smoky, crispy bacon. The onions, the liver, get your tongs. Mix it on up. Beautiful. So now get your pan cranked up, the Masterbuilt up to 275 for the last part of this cook. Pop it right back in. And we're gonna let our liver and onions go for another 25 or 30 minutes. Get some more good color, some more good smoke, a little bit of caramelization for that last part of the cook. Then we'll pull them and eat. And with that, our smoked beef, liver, and onions are complete. Mother of God, this is just a beautiful pile of liver and onions and bacon. My mouth is watering, but before we eat, let's recap what we did a little bit to get to this point. So we chopped up our 2.5 pounds of beef liver, put it in a foil pan, some salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of butter, put it right in our smoker at 250 for 40 minutes. We had our rack of bacon hanging and dripping over our liver throughout that whole 40 minutes. During that time, we went in the kitchen, caramelized up some onions, and once we hit that 40-minute mark, we took it all out and mixed it all together, put it back in the smoker at 275 for another 30 minutes, get a little bit of a higher temp to finish off that cook, and now we just have our pile of deliciousness. I'm done talking. I have a fork. I'm not using it. I'm ripping off a piece of liver. Get the hell out of here. Wow, that is really good. You still have a little bit of pink in there. Don't worry about that. It doesn't mean it's undercooked. It's okay to still have a little bit of pink in your liver. And like I said before, it's not exactly the same as if you were to pan fry it, traditionally pan fry it. You can finish it off in the skillet if you want. I think it's good just like this. It doesn't have the exact same consistency, but it's not overcooked. It's not overly chewy, and that's what matters when you got yourself some good liver. Oh God, boy, it's perfect. It's not grainy. You don't want grainy liver. I just keep talking even though my mouth's full. It's not grainy. It doesn't have a grainy consistency. It's nice and soft. It's really a good consistency. It's definitely worth the try in your smoker. You got a good smoke from the bacon. Sauteed the onions first. You got some good smoke on those. There's just really a perfect color. And the liver just came out good. It just came out great. What else more do you have to say? Liver and onions. Look, if you like liver cooked the normal way and you're thinking to yourself, wonder how it would come out smoked, I definitely recommend trying it. Hey, you might even like it better smoked. And liver and onions is one of my favorite dishes, period. And I love doing it in the smoker like this. So if it had your curiosity, if you want to try it out, this is the way to do it. Get some beef liver. It's got everything. The liver, the onions, the bacon. Put it in your smoker. You're going to love it. Stay tuned for the next video. Liver and onions in the smoker.